For our ghost, I've taken 11-inch round, inflated it to about 8 or 9 inches, tied it out close to the knot so that I've got this extra uninflated here. We'll come back to that in a moment. And then I've got a 160, both white as you can see. I've left about 5 or 6 inches uninflated on it. We're not even going to use all of that. Starting with our 160, we're going to make his arms first, so twist about a 1-inch bubble. A little small 1/2-inch bubble, make that into a pinch twist. Another small bubble, make that into a pinch twist as well. And position the 2 pinch twists on opposite sides of each other like that. And you want about another 1-inch bubble, another 1-inch bubble, and then fold those 2 down and just wrap it around the 2 pinch twists to lock those in place. Position it so that the 2 pinch twists are on opposite sides. The 1 single bubble is sticking up, another 2 are out, and there you've got your first hand. Now go down about 4 or 5 inches. We're going to make a small bubble, make that a pinch twist, another small bubble, make that a pinch twist. This is what we're going to wrap around our body to hold it in place. There's one arm, and now we need to just reverse out and make the other arm. So go out and make a bubble same size as this long one here for his other arm. Make your 2 pinch twists, so there's 1 bubble, make it a pinch twist, another bubble, make it a pinch twist as well. And we're going to make our 2 fingers, so make a 1-inch bubble, another 1-inch bubble, twist that around the pinch twist to lock it into place. Then make another bubble for his thumb, and this excess we're going to pop off. And tie that. Let's trim that up a little. And there is 2 arms. And it's always best to make these first because we're going to have to twist the bubble off this round, and you don't want to be twisting that while you're trying to hold this. Now as you can see, like I mentioned before, I've got that excess. What I want to do is kind of squeeze it so it kind of elongates the balloon a little bit and softens it. So you've got a nice egg shape. Now this is where it really gets interesting. You want to come up towards the end of the balloon, not quite where it's going around, but right around this where it's just starting to turn, and you're going to pinch off the bubble on top to be his head. So you just want to pull up a bubble. Once you get it pulled up there, twist it off like that. Now you're going to take your arms, and those 2 pinch twists are going to go into this point right down in here. Hold his arms on. So just take one of his arms and wrap it around. Comes out all the way around the other side, and then you're going to position those 2 pinch twists underneath that big bubble there. One on either side. Get it in position. Give his arms a little bit of shape. And let's do a face on here so you can see where we're going with this. You've got a fairly quick and simple little ghost. Let's give him some eyes here. However you like to shape your eyes. And there you go. There's our ghost.